up guys, what's up? Today I'm here with YWigs once more. It's a regular packaging, says YWigs, and it lists their website on this drawstring bag. Inside we have the box, and guys, this happened at customs, okay? The tear, yeah, unfortunately. So when I open the box, ooh, I see I got a ribbon and a information card. I got a wig cap, the wig, and the final thing in the box, I have a wig grip band. I've never used one of these, and I got the wig. So this is a 360 lace front wig. It's 12 inches long. It's also a body wave. Okay, so this is what we're working with today. It looks really good. So this is a brown color, definitely not bold, but for all my lovely females who want to tap into color a little bit, you know, you could try this. Oh, it comes pre-plucked. I like, well, yeah, it has a little graduation. You could definitely go in and pluck it more, but the hairline is not too dense, you know. It is a 360, as I mentioned before. So this is how the inside looks. Yes, it's really nice. It has extra elastic bands inside for more security. It comes with a total of 3 combs, adjustable straps in the very back portion here. Yeah, pretty decent construction. It comes with a side part, and it comes pre-curled. I like that. I love that. So it feels really soft and silky. I'm gonna go ahead and get into installing this. Guys, so once slipping it on, I realized it comes, it's like they constructed it in a way where you almost could just even apply this straight out of the box. Well, duh, because that's what I'm doing, because it's like it's so laid already in the hairline portion. I like when they make life easier for you, you know. This looks good. It looks really good. And look at how it's, look at that fall already. And I don't even like apply, you know, my got to be or anything as yet. That's gorgeous. So it was very easy for me to install this because I feel like they made it so easy to install. I don't even think I'll have to go in and recurl this because I'm running my fingers through it. Usually you'd expect it to fall, and companies definitely upping their quality. Like, I love that. I'm going to go ahead and lay here just a little bit more. It doesn't even need that much laying, but I need to make the parting here, you know, better. But after I lay it, I'll go in and do that. I'm just going to apply a little bit of my wax right here to further lay that part. definitely don't need. Look at that. Look at that feathered look. The hairline, everything looks good. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm excited for this, guys. I'm so excited for this. So that's pretty much it for this install. I literally take like my white tooth comb and I'm just like, look at that. The feathering is just too nice. Like, that's so gorgeous. And the hairline looks good. That looks good. Oh my gosh. It's really nice. The density is right. Like, YWigs, 10 out of 10 with this wig. The texture of the wig feels really good. I'm not getting any shedding from it. The curl is beautiful. Like, you're looking for something to not take too long to get right, this is your wig. I'm going to put the direct link to this in my description box, so of course if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. All the specifications of this wig will be in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Very much, I believe this is it's colored, but it's like so appropriate for like corporate world, like all the people that work in the office, and you know, you get tired of black hair or whatever, you know, this is a really good choice. So like, yeah, it's a nice side part vibe too. Love that. Love that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Shout out to YWigs for this gorgeous look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also leave your thoughts down below of what you think of this wig, and just go and stay tuned for my other videos. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wig up on yourself. Bye.